Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is HISENSE Soundbar HS3100. This soundbar deserves your attention. It's 3.1 channel soundbar, 480 watts maximum audio power output with 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer. Bluetooth connect is 5.3, which is the modern one. This soundbar got 6 speakers that deliver 480 watts max output power. It helps you to fill the room with sound and fall deeper into the experience. Let go loud with it. The wireless subwoofer boasts the impact of everything you watch and listen to. Enjoy booming explosion and deepest beat you have ever had without distortion, and it could be placed out of the sight due to wireless capability. Dolby Digital Plus and DTS Visual help you to feel the combined force of Dolby Audio and DTS technology, creating a visualized floor to ceiling 3D sound experience that draws you into the middle of your favorite entertainment. TV mode technology. When paired with HISENSE TV, you could enjoy full potential of your TV sound engine through soundbar speaker for immersive audio experience. Easy wireless connection to your smart device via Bluetooth. 6 equalizer mode and Roku TV ready and pure surround. In terms of connectivity, you can connect this via Bluetooth, optical cable, and with HDMI. So we're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope it helps you to make informed choice. Yes. This is the subwoofer here. This is the soundbar and information pad. I like the recycle stuff. So this is the accessories box. The subwoofer. Nice. This is the soundbar here. It's very light. The front is clothing and the back is plastic. Let's see what it looks like. It's plastic, and from the back the power cable goes in, AC in, optical, AUX, USB, and HDMI. So you got a lot of connection capability. From the top, you can also switch this soundbar from the top here. This button is input, followed by minus for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. HISENSE. This is very light, plastic. This is the subwoofer. You can see what it looks like. 6.5 inch. Now let's open open the accessories and see what is in here. This is part of the wall mount. Two power cables included. One is for soundbar, the other one is for the subwoofer. AAA battery, screws, nice. HDMI cable is included. Remote control. This is what is included. To set this up, you need to take the remote control, push it down, push the cover down, then take the battery. On the right side, the negative goes on the top, the positive goes to the bottom. Then on the left side, the negative goes to the bottom and the positive on the top. On the left side, when you are holding the remote control, then slide the cover back up to close it. Now take the power cable, connect it to the soundbar. Go at the back of the soundbar, connect the power cable to the AC in port, and it's in. Then plug it on to the socket. Take the other power cable, connect it to the subwoofer. Go at the back of the subwoofer, push the cable inside it. If you want to reset this subwoofer, you press the reset button here for you to reset it. Now the next thing to do is plug it onto the socket, and it's in. So once you switch the soundbar on, it will show you hello. I'm going to show you how to hook up this soundbar, HISENSE Soundbar HS3100 to your laptop using aux cable. Use the input to select aux. This is aux. Then take aux cable, go at the back of the soundbar, hook it up to aux. So take the cable, hook it up to the aux port. Then you take the other part of the cable, go to your laptop and connect it to the laptop headphone part and disconnected. And once it's connected, you will hear a noise. So you need to select which device you want to plug in. Then you select headset, select OK. So now this is connected to this laptop. We're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. So select back the music.
Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride.
If you remove the cable, the music will no longer be playing in the soundbar.
Back me up, can't get enough. Take please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness. Turn on me, but now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they say, this is who I am. This is who I am now. They think that I have lost my mind, that I'm not being true, but they don't have a clue, 'cause this is me when I cut out all the shallowness and everything that's suppressed to fit in a small frame. But I won't play your game anymore, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness. Turn on me, but now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they say, this is who I am. This is who I am now.
Thank you very much indeed. I'm happy with this soundbar. It deserves your attention. It's value for money. From this remote, you can switch surround on. You can also increase the bass to +5, reduce the bass to -5, increase the treble to +5, or decrease it to -5. Likewise, dimmer, you can select plus for you to see the dimmer light, the display. If you select minus, the light will go off. This soundbar deserves your attention. The center one is pause and play. I'm happy with this soundbar, and also it got 6 equalizer modes. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel.